Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally. Hi there! So in today's video what we're going to do is a giant smocking piece. I've got this dust sheet that I bought from B&M Bargains and it's huge and I wanted to transform it into the flower smocking design. Well, before I do anything, I'm going to make a quick smoothie because I'm really thirsty, and I will then show you some footage of the smocking I think I did the other day. So I'll include that and I'll see you at the end of the video. Here I'm just showing you that this is a dust sheet I bought, and I've had to really clear the decks in the kitchen, and I've stretched that dust sheet onto the floor and I've doubled it over because I think that's big enough, and I've had to grab a couple of different rulers there to get the length across and the width, and I haven't stretched it with masking tape because it's really quite structured. Even though it's lightweight, it's fine anyway. So, and I'm measuring off 12 inches across and lengthways. And I'm just creating lots of boxes. Okay, so you can see that I've drawn out every 12 inches across and likewise all the way down here. I didn't have 2-meter rulers or anything like that, just 1-meter ruler, so I had to use the quilter's ruler and another ruler and a third one to get all the lines done. But hopefully now that's ready for me to do the petal, or you might want to call it the flower smocking design. I just want to see what this is going to come out like. So I've threaded up my needle, I'm using the upholstery thread, and I've just measured how much thread I need by going around the actual square, and then I put a knot at the other end. I've put the correct side facing up, but on this dust sheet obviously it's both the same-ish. And I'm actually going to start on this square and leave a square sort of all the way around from the edge of the material. So I'm going to start down here in the left corner. I've actually doubled up the dust sheet as well, so just to make it a little bit thicker and more opaque. So I'm going to start with my needle in this corner over here, and I'm just going to pull it through and probably just go back once again, not through the same hole, just nearby. Pull that up to secure it, and then I'm going to sew right up to this next corner. Yep. And then I'm going to sew right over here. And this is just something that I want to have a go at, just by changing up the scale of the smocking and also the material that I would use to do the smocking on. I just want to see how it retains the shapes. I'm just curious. I just want to experiment a little bit. So that's why I'm doing a big size, which is 12-inch square grid. Last time I did it on the blue satin fabric, it was 1.5 inches. So you can check that video out as well. So I'm just going to finish off where I started, and then I'm going to gently pull the threads in. And then I'm just pulling the thread nice and tight, and then just shuffling the sheet so that I get the petals showing. And then I'm going to just sew the middle bit together just a couple of times so it's nice and secure. And I'll take my needle through that loop and once again. And then a knot to finish off with. So that's the first one done. Okay, and so once I've got that first one done, I'm going to go to the next square and I'm going to do the same pattern again. So it is quite cumbersome, all the fabric, I'm just pushing it to one side and pull that to the knot, go up to the first corner, over to the right hand corner, down to the right hand corner, and again over to the left hand corner. We're going to want to pull the threads and secure that. And then make that into the petal shape. Like so. And I'll get cracking on the next ones. Again, just a little nip into the dust sheet. Pull that through. Up to the top left. Over to the right hand corner. And I think you get the gist. So I'm on the last one. And I'm liking the sheet. It's very easy and light to work with, but the scale of it is a challenge. Obviously less shapes to do, but because of the scale, I'm just trying to check that I'm sewing in the right places. So I hope you enjoyed this video today of the giant smocking, and if it's the sort of thing that you enjoy watching, please let me know in the comments by telling me if you want to see more of these videos, and it also shows me that you're interested in them if you give me a like as well. And at the moment I'm posting once a week on a Monday roundabouts, and so I look forward to seeing you next week. And
What I really want to say is thank you so much for the support that you've been giving me. I invite you to just share this channel with your friends, and also let me know in the comments if you're interested in me sort of answering a GCSE or an A-level art exam question paper. All right then, take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon. Bye!